Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find stash houses in GTA Online. First, you'll want to look for a purple house icon on your in-game map. These special locations appear once every real-world day, offering a fresh challenge. Successfully clearing a stash house provides a great way to earn some extra GTA dollars and boost your reputation. It's a straightforward method to add to your daily routine for quick rewards. To locate a stash house, simply open your in-game map and keep an eye out for the unique purple house icon. These icons are easy to spot and indicate the current day's stash house location. Once you've identified it, navigate your way to the marked spot. Remember, these aren't empty buildings. Expect some resistance from enemies guarding the area as you approach. Always be ready for a fight. Once you arrive, your primary goal is to eliminate all enemies present, both inside and outside the stash house. After securing the area, search carefully for the safe combination. This crucial information is usually found on a note or dropped by a specific enemy. With the combination, locate the safe, open it, and claim your well-deserved rewards, typically around 30,000 GTA dollars and 500 reputation points. Completing a stash house successfully provides excellent benefits. You'll typically receive around 30,000 GTA dollars, a nice boost to your in-game bank account. Additionally, you'll earn 500 reputation points, helping you level up faster. This daily activity is a reliable and easy way to accumulate wealth and progress in GTA Online, making it a valuable part of your daily gameplay loop. Happy hunting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.